Hello everyone, welcome to Few Minutes Story. We share stories with you in just a few minutes through sound, with simple visuals. Grab a cup of tea, turn up the volume, and give it a listen. If you like it, please hit like and subscribe to support us. So, let's go.
Hey, what's up? Everyone, it's your storytelling buddy, here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's July 4th, 2025. And there's this wild rumor that tomorrow, July 5th, Japan's gonna get hit by a mega earthquake. They're even talking tsunamis and a new continent popping up. Whoa, for real, no need to panic. Today, we're diving into this prophecy, exploring Japan's epic disaster prep. And here's the kicker, using the law of attraction to manifest our way past this disaster. Ready, let's roll. Alright, let's start with the star of this prophecy, Japanese manga artist Takanotsume Ryo. She's a legit prophet in some circles. Back in 1999, her manga The Future I Saw predicted a huge earthquake in March 2011. And boom, it nailed the 2011 Tohoku earthquake. She's also said to have foreseen COVID-19 and Princess Diana's passing, with a hit rate of, like, 80%. That's kinda spooky, right? Hold up, though. In her recent book The Last Words of Angels, Takanotsume clarified that July 5th isn't necessarily doomsday. She says it might just be a turning point, and the publisher got it wrong in an interview. Her goal to raise disaster awareness, not scare us silly. Phew, can we breathe now? Okay, prophecy aside, what's the word from Japanese media and experts? Ryoichi Namura, head of the Japan Meteorological Agency, said on June 13th that science can't predict exact earthquake dates, times, or locations. He called these prophesized rumors, and stressed that Japan's always at risk. So prep is key, not freaking out over one day. But, real talk, Japan's been a bit shaky lately. The Tokara Islands near Kagoshima had over 900 quakes in 2 weeks in late June, and Kirishima's Shinmodake volcano erupted, spewing ash 2,000 meters high. Experts say this is normal geological activity, but netizens are like, is the prophecy coming true? Now, the big one, the law of attraction. What's that in a nutshell? It says your thoughts and beliefs shape reality. Think positive, and the universe delivers positive outcomes. If we all channel good vibes together, we might just skip this July 5th quake entirely. Remember the 2012 Mayan prophecy, the world was supposed to end on December 21st, 2012. What happened? People prayed, shared memes about partying with aliens, and nothing. The earth kept spinning. That's proof positive thinking can work wonders. So, whether you're in Japan, Taiwan, the Philippines, or anywhere else, try this every day. Tell yourself, July 5th will be a peaceful day. The world's getting better. Collective positive vibes could rewrite the future. I know a lot of you are worried about this prophecy, especially friends in Japan, Taiwan, and the Philippines. But Takanotsume Ryo says her visions aren't meant to scare us. They are a reminder to stay prepared and stay positive. Some folks online say they've dreamed of tsunamis or quakes, too. Psychologists call this collective subconscious. We hear about quakes so much, your brains start imagining them. So, don't stress. Prophesies are just a heads up, not fate, with the law of attraction. All we need is a positive mindset and some solid prep to win this. Friends around the world, let's manifest together and tell the universe. We want peace and safety. So, will July 5th bring a mega quake? We'll find out tomorrow. But no matter what, we can use the law of attraction's positive vibes to manifest a disaster-free day. Stay prepared, stay optimistic, and let's make the world a better place. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Who knows? Maybe my next video will be about us celebrating a peaceful life. Catch you next time.